Not very much severe weather going on for all of the United States, but you can still see some thunderstorms and showers pop in for late to early morning today. And we go to severe weather and look at go here. We have an enhanced risk for storms here in the Great Plains, but that should move on until tonight. I'm just letting you guys know for this, and I'll be back at 2 p.m. Have a great day, and if I'm not back by 2 p.m., please send an email to Zane, XAYNE, .sap at at iCloud.com. Have a great day, everyone. I'll be back at 2 p.m.